So my tax nightmare started when someone stole my identity back in 2011, I think. Since then, I've got all of these documents, all this communication with the IRS. I don't even know what's going on, what's the latest. But one thing I do know, I haven't gotten a tax refund in the last 3 years. Someone in Orlando used my name and social security number to file a fake tax return. So the IRS believed I underreported my income and slapped me with a bill for unpaid taxes, fines, and interest. When I got this notice, it says, yes, you owe the IRS $31,000. I thought I was getting a refund.
Welcome to the Internal Revenue Service.
The IRS told me my case was under investigation by the fraud department. I believe them. But in 2014, they still seized my tax refund to help pay off that $31,000 I didn't believe I owed. So, of course, I was afraid to file in 2015 until I got this fraud straightened out.
We currently are experiencing high call volume.
But despite all the calls I made, I never really knew what was happening with my case. Just last year, the IRS told me I now owed $9,000 to pay it immediately, or they would start seizing my property. Seize my property. This is getting scary. Yep, I'm an investigative reporter, and I can't figure out this giant, scary government mess just hanging over my head. And this nightmare is happening to hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people. So this is what?
So this is what started out as a tax return and a one-page identity theft affidavit in 2011 tax year.
Greg Morris is a lawyer. He goes to court to argue tax cases, and his 6-year IRS identity fraud battle is as complicated and frustrating as mine.
My wife is my law partner, so we're both like, we're lawyers, we're dealing with this, like, what's going on here? Like, how is this going so wrong was what I couldn't understand.
Just as in my case, someone used Greg's name and social security number to file a tax return in 2011. So he called the IRS.
The initial person I spoke with there was not very helpful, told me the identity theft didn't happen, and I owe this money.
And that's when his nightmare began.
What it ultimately makes you feel like is that I didn't pay my taxes or did something wrong, and you do. You become a victim of the IRS.
Greg wrote letters, sent in copies of his tax returns, but says it got really scary when the IRS told the state of Maryland, a place he's never lived, he owed income tax there. And Maryland seized a payment he was due from a federal court case.
I just got a letter saying, we seized your money. And then after that, it's very hard to get the IRS to give you money back.
Greg got aggressive, even went to court, and says just this year, 6 years later, he's somewhat confident his nightmare is over. I'm in the middle of this nightmare, too. What should I do?
Well, I think that anything you send to the IRS, make sure it's certified. Or if you have a tax payment to make, send it with a check, even if it's a small amount, so you have a record that they received it, and contact the taxpayer advocate first.
Okay, this tax advocate program, might as well give it a try. This free government program will help coordinate your case, which is key when dealing with the vast IRS.
One agency may get my tax returns and my identity theft affidavit, but then another agency, the IRS, will report that I didn't pay my taxes, and then that agency will start the process of trying to collect on taxes that are not even owed.
The tax advocate told me I had to get that $9,000 payment cleared up first and connected me to IRS collections.
It's scary because they're the ones that it ends with them. So if they disagree with you, that's it.
So listen, if this happens to you, like it's already happened to me and millions of other Americans, don't sit back and trust that the IRS will investigate and quickly agree you're a victim. You might end up with your money or your property seized. For more information and tips on what to do, go to our website, WPBF.com. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.